to our next stage. Pupa?
Wow.
Ano yan, Pupa?
Toy cars.
Toy car? Bakit toy car?
So, my ex and I, we met nung college, first year college, we were classmates. At first, I despised him so much. Sobrang yabang talaga. Until naging tropa kami dahil sa cars. Parang doon kami naging super close. I mean, you can see I'm very tomboyish, but I will put it out there, I'm straight. Sabay kami parati umaalis and all that, tapos nagkaka-rides. When we broke up, gusto kong kalimutan lahat yun. It's because the things that I liked before became bad memories because of this person. Because it was a really bad breakup. So I built this prison for myself after the breakup. And I'm so used to my walls. I'm already happy with just myself.
Si Pupa yung exterior niya, maangas. O kahit pala maangas tong taong to, may ganyang side pala to.
So parang this is me trying to get out of that prison for the sake of exploring. Also for myself, to get to know myself more again.
It was freeing then to say that to other people.
It's very easy to get comfortable in your own space.
And then, tsaka it takes bravery to get out of your shell.
Kung nanonood ka man ngayon, I'm okay that we're living separate ways. We don't have to meet again. We don't have to talk again. I'm good. You're good. That's what matters.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you for opening up, Pupa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
On to our next one.
Next one, Jo Marie.
Sino yan?
Ano kaya to? Kinakabahan ako. Hindi.
Ooh, wow. That looks expensive.
No.
Umiiyak siya.
Usually kasi hindi ko to kinikwento kasi parang... Etong watch na to, parang feeling ko, thinking about it now, parang reflection siya ng naging relationship namin. Yung ex ko na to, siya yung longest relationship ko until now. 3 years kami nito. And then, by our second year, nung birthday ko, binigyan niya ako ng watch. Kasi meron akong event na pupuntahan. It's her way of showing love and support sa akin. Tapos kasama din siya, +1 ko siya dun sa event na yun. Tapos nung pauwi na kami, nalasing nga siya, tapos nag-iiba na nga yung ugali niya. Parang nagmamaoy. Nung naka-arrive na kami sa may apartment ko, ayaw niyang bumaba nung Grab. Ayaw niyang bumaba. Ayoko dito, ayoko sa'yo, layan mo ako. At talaga parang medyo nakakahiya siya. Alam mo yung nakakahiya na kailangan mo mag-explain na girlfriend ko to. Kasi parang tinataboy niya talaga ako, tinutulak niya ako eh.
Tingin mong yung sa mga pinagdaanan mo na shape kung sino ka ngayon?
Sobra, bro. Pag binigay mo naman na lahat sa relationship na yun, and parang hindi na nakakatulong for yourself, for your mental being.
You did your part.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jo Marie.
Alex?
Ako, kinakabahan ako. Bracelet. Itong bracelet kasi nito, galing to sa tao na was very special to me. And I would say na this person and yung relasyon na to ang nagturo sa akin kung paano maging matapang. Hanggang sa dumating yung point na nagkakasakitan na kami. Though hindi naman niya ako sinasaktan na like bugbog, ganyan. Na-aksidente ako, car accident. As you can see, I have scars from it.
Ang nangyari doon, nag-aaway kayo sa kotse?
Kind of. Pero syempre, I cannot blame him entirely. Ayun lang, I decided to end the relationship kasi alam ko na hindi kami para sa isa't isa. Syempre, first time ko din siya i-open sa public and hindi naman lahat ng tao sa buhay ko alam yung nangyari na yun eh. But okay kami, we're in good terms.
Thank you for sharing.
JC, last but not the least.
Baka pwede pa niya akong alak. Para
oo.
Cute.
Pusa to. Meron ako na-meet na girl na sobrang mahal na mahal ko. Tapos, one time, nagpunta siya sa bahay. May dalawa akong pusa. Ayaw niya. As in, alis mo yan, ayoko ng pusa. Then magkatabi kami noon, time na yon sa sofa. Biglang tumalon sa kanya. And then, bigla siyang hinalikan ng pusa.
Aww.
As in, and then yun, After nun, nagustuhan niya na ng pusa. Sobrang happy ko kasi yung mga gusto ko, nagugustuhan niya rin.
That's nice. That's very nice. Pero parang sobrang beautiful naman ng love story. But what happened?
One time, ang dami kong problema. Ang daming nangyari sa buhay ko. Na-depress ako. May mga problema ako sa pamilya ko hanggang sa naapektuhan na yung mental health ko. Sa lahat na nakilala ko, siya yung taong nasa tabi ko palagi. Nasaktan ako. Nung lumipad siya nung umalis siya, bigla na lang siya nakipag-cool off. Sabi ko, cool off, parang maghiwalay na lang tayo siguro. After nun, sobrang nahihirapan din ako nung time na yun. Minsan may pinagdadaanan tayo. Nakakalimutan natin yung mga taong nandyan na pinababayaan na lang natin. Kung mapanood man niya to, thank you. Dapat pala hindi tayo gumagawa ng desisyon agad kapag may problema tayo. Thank you. Thank you, nandyan ka pa din.
You know, I just want to tell you guys that you flew all the way here to Hong Kong to put yourselves out there. And magagawa lang naman natin yun once we let go of our excess luggages.
Breakup is not something na you alone get to experience. And even though sobrang hurtful niya, it's very essential kasi you learn a lot from it.
At dahil dyan, can we have a group hug?
Group hug naman tayo,
Group
guys.
hug!
Feeling ko yung mga ganitong moments, talagang it will make the bond closer.
I love it na we got to spend that time with each other. I feel like it was very essential.
Yeah.